Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your Home Depot account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in homedepot.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Home Depot website. If you are yet to log into your account, you will see the login button at the top right corner. Just click on this button and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, if you wish to change the name within your account, click on the Me icon at the top right corner. From this page, just click on Profile and this will take you into your profile settings page. Now alongside personal details, just click on the Edit button and now you will be allowed to edit your name as well as your zip code. Type in your first name as well as your last name within the designated box. After entering both of these, click on the Save Changes button and now your name will successfully be changed within your Home Depot account. You can come back to this page at any time in order to change your name as many times as you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on your Home Depot account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.